psoriasis is not just a skin condition, but it is a chronic disease of immune system that can be mild to severe. Today, we will talk about scalp psoriasis. It is a skin condition that makes raised, reddish and scaly patches. It can cause itching and loss of hair. The causes of psoriasis are unknown till now, but doctors believe that it comes from your weak immune system. It is genetic, but not contagious. Here are some simple home remedies that will help you to get rid of scalp psoriasis. 1. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera gel is a natural moisturizer that can helpful to treat your scalp psoriasis. Apply aloe vera gel up to 3 times a day. It reduces redness and scaling caused by psoriasis. 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is used as a disinfectant that may help to minimize scalp itching from psoriasis. Mix equal amount of apple cider vinegar in water and apply it on the affected area. Don't use this remedy if your skin is cracked or bleeding. 3. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has powerful antiseptic properties. Use shampoo with tea tree oil to cure your scalp psoriasis. Don't apply this remedy if you are allergic to tea tree oil. 4. Turmeric. It is a common herb that can be easily found in your kitchen. It has a natural and powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It contains a compound named curcumin that is helpful in minimizing any type of psoriasis. Take at least 1.5 to 3.0 grams of turmeric in your daily meal to get rid of scalp psoriasis. 5. Dead sea salts. Add some Dead Sea salt or Epsom salt in your warm water bathtub. Soak in the tub for about 15 minutes. It will help you to remove scales and relieve itching. Don't forget to apply moisturizer to your skin after the bath. These remedies will surely help you to get rid of scalp psoriasis. Natural home remedies will not only help you to cure scalp psoriasis, but it will also benefit in different aspects of your health. Please subscribe our channel for more information about home remedies of scalp psoriasis or go to homeremedies9.com.